guys ready to witness the coronation night of Mr. KYF?
All right. So judges, are you ready? Audience, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, so here we go. The first round of the Mr. KYF 2026. Sound engineer, can you have the music, please? All right, people, please put your hands together for contestant number 1. Please give a big round of applause for contestant number 1. Presenting you the first contestant for the Mr. KYF 2026. KARBI Taralangso. Aprangsi nilihin pen binowe kijitong rapaporting jiurdo anapanta lapen gangrung gansai mangido abang kubang piramastame ingdeng hokebrahini karbiriso nimso rongaje kardom pajirlo kardom nilimen hare binong kiri hanse nilikewang langlokso hawar sarmen hanse arong pen niliarta ningka ningko raisi Nili Charlie, Volonko Maji, Lukasen Kones, 6 Minister Angde, Nili Kai Long Akinang Lake, Inut Long Nam Kitchen Hanklong, KARBI, Lam Kanadan Chipati Abang Pusi, Nili Kai Long Kitchen Hankantung, Lan Hello, Nili Chipati Nita Madam Teke, Jorlo! Thank you so much, Contestant number 1. Next, can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 2?
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 2.
KARBI Taralangso. Lomchora lang kiju, ingkang samdo basunsi. Nili mekha pan chepa chini sitame, ninging samdo. Nili men, hare long kiri diso. Lape nili arka, inkoya ke thong. Nili non chao Charlie Dumbom lage DIPHU Government College BA Angdenga Law. Lape de nili kailong nili kachewan kantung lage Inut Texer Mesen Lo Tanbangku. Lape de apor ke doa hut nili mir karche, lape han karche. Lapuan si nili mekhanga pan chepa chinia por pe jodit koklo dome thak me kardom. Thank you so much, Contestant number 2. Next, please give it up for contestant number 3.
Presenting to you contestant number 3.
Jutang hello, Kaya Raji. Lamet hello, Kaya Chiti. Laben, Kachingrum hello, Kaya Ne. Aprangsi, Indeng Pokebra Hini Kecho, KARBI Riso Nimso, Rongazi along Nachetong Dun, Ariso Ezang Lapen, Manpeng Gedo, Krungsai. Abangku Bangpi, Doan Panstami, Dilihin Pen, Sengkan Gimia Kardom Mate, Rongazi, Akardom, Nampazirlo, Kardom. Jutang Jubat, Lamet Lamsong Lapen, Tinding Support Kachingona Bangpu, Dilimen, Tari, Sorzon Kronihan, Nili Arta, Ninkaning Koirahini Kecho, Ariso, Nili, Chepate Bangpu, Pailaka, Ketong. Nili, HS Asarlang, Chepahun, Angdeng Lake, Alphabeta, Junior College, Nogong, Lapen, DA, Asarlang Angdeng Chepahun, Lake, Rabindranath Tagore University, Hojayarong Supi. Nekayalong, Neri Akemang Lake, Bharat, Angkanpi, Northeast, Assam KARBI Long Along Pen, Inut, Mesen Model Art Cheman Pen, Jutang Jubat, Lamet Lamsong, Pindeng Sumbor, Ansuse Ansong, Kirumpon, Nidi Akemang Ke Lahenlo. Lipibi,
nanga chekin alom soet apanchot lasi anotin abang kubang pisitame ning cheparong nangji lapansi nili chepachini alam pe ington ponik bokpo dume thakbe gorwang chu.
Thank you so much, contestant number 3. Let us all welcome contestant number 4.
From the heart of the hill to the middle of the stage, I am your contestant number 4. Good evening to my respected judges and to everyone who are present in this beautiful evening. My name is Jisong Rungpi and I came from a beautiful place, Disama. And talking about my education, I did my graduation from DIPHU Government College. And I'm 23 years old. And my aim is in life is to become a fitness influencer so that I can motivate the upcoming generation to believe in themselves and to never give up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 5.
Kardong Taralangso. Aprangsi kangkrung kangsai abang pu abang fi lapen piling we dak anstom gun man peng kedo kite kiting aklimang phabat chenglok kadu koi ban same diren pen suri suri akadom pajur suri thotlo kardong dilimen phare sarmin darong phar dili ke bang arong lake disobai singasam constituency dili chari bomang deng BA Indian from my 6th semester amdeng adim lake Hong Kong College Dongmuka. Laben kai ke dili apor dese not ke claim style lake lun karbi alun ke to future ke to laben opran dese pan kai ke adap ari kansam ke ka. Laben dili kalong dili not ke man kangtung lake karbi lo thamlang bu mate karbi lecturer teacher si dili semanang tu. Labuan cepat sini pasti di dalam te reporting check lo kardong.
Thank you so much, contestant number 5. Let us all welcome contestant number 6. Kardong Karbiang. A very good evening to their respected judges and one and all present out here. I am Mongia Hansei, 23 years old, from the land of culture, KYF. So my hobbies are included, I am a dancer by profession, passionate about model, and apart from traveling. And I believe that hard work and consistency is the most important thing in our life. Because without consistency, without hard work, we can achieve anything. Thank you so much. Kardong. Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Now let us all welcome contestant number 7 with a big round of applause.
Kardong Taralangso. Aprangsi pinong le nang je tong lun man peng kedo khung sai pu khung sai pi alang ni tum phan dilin pen ningkan timi mate ingdeng phokya brahini karbi risonin soramaja kardong pajer lok kardong lapen puthot hawara mai kedoam mate jutang ching hon rap rap akorte ingir mate phusar fisal kedoam naklimang phal
เป็นเอาเวลาดักนักจะต้องดุนเป็ดเกตัวนาเวพันตานิลิเป็ดกุทบอินเดงคุกเก็บไรนี่การบิริสนิมสโลอาเจการต้องปัจเจริญลูกการต้องนิลิเมนทาร์สาร์คิริสิงนะลับเป็นนิลิเกลังนักเกการจูเมนัยมาเตเกลังเมนัยฮาวาบอลงคอมาจีลับเป็นนิลิกระจังเลียงเดงลับเกBA second semester lapin nili kailo kemang laki inut lo thandang ku piposi nili inut lo thandang ku halo bangso ilitum along kecali jang siare bolate isia khaya phan ke paching thura bang ilitum chetorot lasi kecali basi ilitum oe kimi dan jat asai damit lepom igunji lasi lana lam pheje than lasi nilam thering penchai wo gardong. Thank you so much, contestant number 7. Up next, I would like to invite contestant number 8. Presenting to you, contestant number 8.
Arni Gangsa Makardo. Manteng gitu, akhai ti, tapi pinung gila dah kacet tong arat doa napa. Di pialam ni cinghon cenam pu, athe pian pen isi kacet ni kenang sot. Keng sang hoy le do pesita, nang lam nang ki cete deri. Keng sang hoy le do pesita, nang pinteng sumpah cete deri. Athe ma pinteng sumpah mati lam le ki le ki velo te iju tang ki velo. Ini kapal pihuk akar bi, aprang nungsi panle ini tumje than simung pon lana. Ini kapal pihuk akar bi along pen, aprang nungsi pan kasih bori pon lake, ini ta ini do. Nili men thare rugasen hanse. Nili gewang mate ni hangat thega tim lake, dongkam west karbi anglong. Nili kai ke klembom asai lake. Lun karju kekan lapen mohor kapang jang mate makeup artist lapen film choreographer asai ni tembong nikayalo akimang laki ino thana bang pusi ning ki hang nipan dihe ko nilipai ni pona ke than nang ino jong si mesena athare man di bulate nang ki claim kita masai long Siapa bihek dan klaim teknologi lapen ninggi ting dorangji lalate nang kinanga son chunpo bisi nilipai ni puna kita mikinu lapen akacoro pipar piklo nalitung tinang meladang kasi tong dunara doa naphan nililam thenangkar dudun pen ningarong bohon pen alira lo nang kitun thega por longchora lang akan samjo bason ningar long pen akacoro pipar jisi nilam theng ton kolo pardon.
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. Let us all welcome contestant number 9. Presenting to you, contestant number 9.
Pardon Taralangso. Jutang heno khera je, lamet heno khea chethe, kaching room heno khea le. Lasi piling we dag room sem son sing achetai long, nang achetong thun akorte injir, sarpi sarpu, akhi mang par, po purun pai parun, manteng ben achetong thun kithe kiting, kang khung kang sai. Doa la phan satami, nidihin pen, ingdeng phokera ini, karbi sonim so rong aje kardom nang pajeriklo, kardom. Nili men thare bamon sinkro, nili kiwang lake, lang fair awar mate, bolong ko majipensi nili kiwang. Nili arta ningkaning ko rahini, lapen, nili ling kihang, kidun kikan lapen, hirjir kihir, nili ling hang pi, lapen nili ling dok pi. Nili kaya long kimang lake, pirtheyang bong, nong nam kachithang nai, muni rapan, ning parong ita the, lapen ning po ita the, labang so kimang laki, inut dun se po si kimang. Ansi nili pachinialam ting ton pon koklo, tume thak me kurwang thu.
so much, contestant number 9. Let us all welcome contestant number 10. Presenting to you, contestant number 10. A warm greetings to each and everyone present here, respected judges, and all present here. My name is Bong Tuyong, a man which represents the strong, and a man which represents the brave, and a man who is legendary among the Karbi society. And I'm come from all the way from Aurangabad, and currently I'm pursuing my IDT in Mechanical Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum and Technology. And the last but not the least, I would like to aim up with a small quote. In any competition, giving awards or rewards is not to buy or sell, but it's our performance. With this, I end up my introduction. Thank you. Well, that was contestant number 10. Presenting to you, contestant number 11.
Good evening, Taralangso. With a dream in my heart, I am from Anjalangso. I am Samukrang Bey, your contestant number 11. I like to sing a song very much, and I am a songwriter too. And I am very excited to stand here in front of you all. And my motto for life is, you yourself are the best creature. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 11. Let us all welcome contestant number 12 with a big round of applause. Presenting to you, contestant number 12.
Kardom Taralangso! First of all, I would like to greet the celebration of 52nd edition of KARBI Youth Festival to our respected judges and one and all present here. I am your contestant number 12, Chaveng Senor, and I proudly come from the hill of West Karbi Anglong, Wuthat Langso. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in chemistry, 4th semester at DIPHU Government College. And my hobbies include traveling, listening music, and doing household works. Be positive, be kind, and spread love. With this, I conclude my words. Thank you.
Well, that was contestant number 12. Let us all welcome contestant number 13 with a huge round of applause. Presenting to you, contestant number 13. From a humble village to a strong power, I rise. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all present here, especially to our respected judges. I am Paulus Pangsho, 22 years old, proudly presenting Meghalaya Zone. Today, I strongly believe in myself. I'm courageously standing in front of you to present the Meghalaya Domahi attire. As a heroic of Meghalaya attire, it signifies as a symbol of dignity, strength, and identity of KARBI. If I win tonight as Master KYF, it will be a victory for every young dreamers. Thank you. Cardon. Look at this contestant number 13. Let us all welcome contestant number 14. Presenting to you contestant number 14.
Pardon Taralangso. Before I introduce myself, I would like to extend a warm and respectful greeting to our judges and to all the wonderful people gathered here from the different parts of KARBI Anglong for 52nd KARBI Youth Festival. My name is Purno Timung and I proudly represent Borjang. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts, second semester at DIPHU Government College. I'm 20 years old and my hobbies are playing football, listening to music and reading books. My aim in life is to become a professional model and prove confidence and hard work creates success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 14. Up next we have contestant number 15. Let us all welcome contestant number 15.
Today you grow, tomorrow you grow. A very warm good evening to all the spectators present here. Respected to our honorable judges, my fellow contestants, and to all the team members. My name is Jakong Timo, and I am from my own locality, DIPHU. Today I am representing the Adamasar outfit. Talking about my educational background, I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from DIPHU Government College. And my hobbies include listening to music and cooking. Apart from this, I'm aspiring to become a successful entrepreneur. And my motto for life is, before conquering the world, conquer your mind. Because there's a saying, whenever there's a will, there's a way. Thank you everyone and enjoy the show.
Contestant number 15. Up next we have contestant number 16. Presenting to you contestant number 16. Pardon Taralangso. Good evening, respected judges, and good evening to all of you. I am your son Teron, contestant number 16. I am from the Honsuri, DIPHU. Thank you.
All right, people, that was contestant number 16. Next, please give it up for contestant number 17.
Presenting to you contestant number 17.
Pardon Taralangso. Good evening to honorable juries and to all the beautiful souls who has come to witness the 52nd edition of KARBI Youth Festival and 8th edition of Mr. KYF. My name is Mr. Benesor Timung,
and I am from Singhason constituency, resident of DIPHU Taralangso. I am 20 years old and currently pursuing my FYUG second semester at DIPHU Government College. My aim in life is to become a successful entrepreneur. And I'm a person who loves and enjoys doing beatboxing, playing football, and I am a fashion enthusiast as well. My motto in life is stay confident and never give up. And I truly believe in being confident and never give up. And all the people present here right now must have true respect in life, that is confidence in yourself and never giving up in yourself. As these two both aspects can help you to achieve and accomplish anything in life. Thank you, Cardom, and have a joyful evening, everyone.
Thank you so much, contestant 13. Next, presenting you contestant 18.
Kardom Taralangso. Apang si kan krung kan sai akai pi la kan akai po tum han apan te pinong we dak na chitong no ara to ana phasta me Kardom pachiro Kardom Nili ben thare sarong tero nili ke bang lage dhanda khat award pe Nili ni ke hang lage gilun ke kan apan te somar phan ke than gilun ke kan hello nili ni kan Nili la kwan lam phe pachini kon si lam phe ke lo Kardom
Thank you so much, contestant 19. Next, please give it up for contestant 19. Already for this point in time, you are witnessing the first round of Davis and KYF 2026, which is presented by KARBI Cultural Society in collaboration with DIPHU Taralangso.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Bordiliteran. I am 20 years old and I am from DIPHU 7 Hijilangso. I have completed my schooling from Government Public School and now live here to complete my graduation in your college. I am very excited to be here. My hobby are writing and listening. Alright, sorry. Painting and listening to music. I love tribal dance. I love read book and I love play football. Thank you very much, Cardom.
Thank you so much, contestant 19. Next, presenting you contestant 20.
Good evening, Taralangso. Good evening, respected judges, and to all lovely audience present here. I am Sonjoy Kamsa, contestant number 20 from West KARBI Hamrin. Talking about my education, I completed my Bachelor of Commerce from DIPHU Government College in the year of 2024. And here I am saying tonight to believe in myself, to build my confidence, and with this platform, if I could inspire others to follow their heart, to live for their dreams, no matter what those dreams are. Because my quote is, if not now, then when? So, don't compare yourself to others. Be who you are. Be bold. Be unapologetic for who you are. That's what makes you different. So embrace your uniqueness. Embrace who you are, because you just don't know who you can inspire just by being you. And I'm so grateful to be standing here tonight in front of all of you, because I truly believe that I am not far away from my dream as I think. And with this, I want others to look at me, to take me as an example that you can also do it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 20. Next, presenting you last but not the list, contestant number 21.
'Kardom Taralangso. Diri ni pialam ting hampir pasti diri pialam itu cilinje po. Okansi. Inume abangso. Roje sotum haning sampik. Agi hai pi juli bepi ning sampik. Agi hai po yujeng ning sampik. Agi hai po komputer ning sampik. Asi aben kecengsi. Inume dah kacitong. Jilpo jilpi pai bombrun. Don rasabe dami tumhan. Indeng poke bahani, kaki di somso ronga se kalau macam kadom. Nilimen, hari babuson rongpa, nilikilang, monsing kerong langgan aklam, kompetensi, bosan kompetensi. Nilikai ke klaim masai, nilipai dah hanang kitung ke celadun. Lapen, nilikai dong kemang, inut, mesen political leader, mereka rasa songdapo. Nilipai dong kamasi. You don't think I'm going to cut on the becoming full 1, 2.
Thank you so much, contestant number 21. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 21? 21 contestants are competing for the most completed title, that is Mr. KYF 2026. So people, with this, we have come to the end of the first round of the Mr. KYF 2026, which is a traditional and the introduction round. So people, are you having fun? Yes or no? Yes.